How to fix friend request not sending on Facebook. Let's get started. First, launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now, navigate to the Friends tab. Now, click on the option Your Friends. Facebook allows a maximum of 5,000 friends per account. If you have hit this limit, you cannot send or receive friend requests until you remove some friends. Ensure the person's privacy settings allow friend requests. Some users restrict friend requests to friends of friends only. If you don't have mutual friends, you won't be able to send a request. Try messaging the person or asking a mutual friend to add them first. Next up, check if Facebook has temporarily blocked you. Facebook may temporarily block you from sending friend requests if you have sent too many requests in a short period, too many people have ignored or declined your request, or your account has been reported for suspicious activity. Likewise, heading towards next solution, you can log out of your Facebook account and again log in back. You can navigate to the menu page, scroll all the way down, then click on Logout, click on Logout, and again log in back. Next up, you can update your Facebook app. For that, launch your App Store, search for the app Facebook. Once app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Likewise, check your network connection, launch your settings, click on the option Wi-Fi, make sure you have stable internet connection. If not, you can switch between network, Wi-Fi or cellular data. If none of these solutions work, what you can do is report to the Facebook support team. For that, launch your Facebook and navigate to the menu page. Click on the option Help and Support. Click on the option Report a Problem. Click on Continue to Report. Click on Don't Include. Now from here, choose the feature Friend Request. And over here, you will need to briefly explain about the issue that you are not able to send friend request. With this solution, your problem will be fixed. This is how you can fix friend request not sending on Facebook. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.